Open GradeRun and the first thing you see is clarity, your dashboard that keeps everything organized. Start by uploading your notes, slides, or any study material. GradeRun instantly generates exam-style questions, so you can practice with real scenarios, not just read. After each attempt, you get more than a score. The platform highlights exactly where you went wrong and creates a personalized summary, so you focus only on what matters. Need a quick review? Open your study guides, automatically built from your own materials and updated as you progress. When you're ready, step into the exam hall. Here, you simulate a real timed exam, track your performance, and build confidence before the actual test day. Every session is saved. You can track your growth, revisit past tests, and watch your weak areas shrink over time. GradeRun is built for smarter studying. Upload, practice, review, simulate, and improve, all in one place.